This video is on how to change out the low beam headlight on a 2007 Toyota Tundra. Alright, this is real easy. First I already detached my battery and moved my battery over a little bit. And your low beam headlight will be right down in here. You got to pull this plug off. There's a little button here you got to push in. Push that button in and pull that out. I already had this off, so it's pretty simple. And you're going to just turn this counterclockwise. Pull it out. There's my crappy bulb. Alright, here's my new bulb. I've always been told do not touch that bulb with your fingers. Something about your oil on your fingers could make it not last as long. Just going to want to slide that back in there. There it is. Turn it back in clockwise. Plug it back in. Alright, let's try her out. Good to go. That's it. Easy peasy. 2007 Toyota Tundra. If you got any questions, just put them in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thanks.